Welcome to Kids Zone! A is for apple, so shiny and red. B is for ball, let's bounce it instead. Is for cat, soft and so sweet. D is for drum, let's tap to the beat. E is for elephant, big and so tall. F is for fish, swimming fast in the hall. G is for grapes, yummy in a bunch. H is for helicopter, flying up with a crunch. I is for ice cream, cold and creamy treat. J is for jacket, to wear when there's sleet. K is for kite, soaring high in the sky. L is for lion, with a powerful cry. M is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for nest, where birds take a breeze. O is for onion, with layers to peel. P is for penguin, sliding on heels. Q is for queen, with a crown on her head. R is for rabbit, hopping out of the shed. S is for snake, slithering around. T is for truck, making big sounds. U is for umbrella, for rain or for sun. V is for violin, music and fun. W is for watermelon, juicy and green. X is for xylophone, bright colors to be seen. Y is for yoke, connecting too strong. Z is for zebra, striped all along. Let's sing the ABCs all the way through. Now you know letters and words that are new.